What's up, y'all? So we're gonna create a Twitch chat bot that using a library that I've created. It's gonna be really simple. We'll just name this Twitch sample. Alright, we're gonna be using the framework .NET 8. Let's not save that. Alright. First thing you're gonna want to do is go manage NuGet packages and install Nafi.Util. You want to grab the latest version, which currently is 1.1.1. And then once you've got that installed, we're going to use Nafi.Twitch. And then create our main statement. Alright, once you've done that, we're going to grab 3 arguments, alright? They're going to be 3 constant strings of your Oauth, which you can get using the link in the description below. All you're going to want to do is log into Twitch using the account that you want to be the Twitch bot. Come to this website, click connect, it'll generate an Oauth token, copy all of it, and then put it inside the brackets there. Then after that, we're gonna get a constant string of your channel name and the bot username. The channel name must be lowercase, but the username doesn't matter if it's lowercase or not. It's just whatever you want it to be, I guess. Make it match your username on Twitch. Then the first thing we're going to want to do is, while the application is open, we're going to sit there and scan the IRC channel for chat messages. Oh, hang on, we need to also declare the Twitch bot. Okay, so we'll do a static Twitch bot equals new Twitch bot, and then our commands, or our parameters. So it's going to start with the Oauth, then channel, then username. Then once that, we can now start reading the chat with bot. Alright, and if chat message is not null, meaning that we've received a chat message, then we're just going to want to check to see if there's a command. And check command is going to take a argument of Twitch chat message type. Alright, now once we've grabbed the chat message, we're going to want to split it up into separate words so that we can see what the first word is for the command. Alright, and we're going to be checking for the commands using a switch statement. And we'll go ahead and change it to lowercase. That way, it will catch it even if they do some funky capitalizations with it, like they tend to do. The first one's just going to be a standard hello, so if they say hello, our bot's just going to say hello back. And you'll do that by using the command write. You can get the sender of the chat message by getting the chat message dot sender. You can also use another function to check the message. You're going to want to pass the parameter the Twitch chat message object to it though. we'll be creating a function to show that off called lurk command. If you plan on using this library, or you are currently using it, you can just leave a thumbs up reaction on this video, subscribe to the channel, or even follow me on Twitch where I play games and code. There's also other functions, like you can see what the chat message is a subscriber. If there's a moderator, you can check to see if they're a turbo user. You could even check to see what the color of their chat message is.